So here's how to use the OSD menu on a IPS Neo Geo Pocket color. Hold down the option, then press AB, and then to navigate up and down on the screen, press A or B. Then once you've selected the thing you want to change, like brightness, hold down the option, press A, that'll select it. They can raise it or lower it with A and B. To confirm, hold option and press A. So then if we want to adjust the vertical position, we can hold option, press A, that'll shift it up or down. Then confirm, then horizontal. So shift it left or right. You can confirm. Then pixel effect, you can change that. Confirm, and then battery display. You can also turn that on or off. And then once you're done, change an option, hold option and press B. There you go.